Gentlemen, let me ask you something deeply personal. Are you waking up exhausted even after what should have been a full night of rest? Have you noticed your erections aren't as firm or reliable as they once were? Maybe your energy is draining away, bit by bit, day after day, and you can't figure out why. If any of that resonates with you, stay right here with me. Because what I'm about to share isn't just another inevitable part of getting older. This is your body waving a red flag, sending you a clear warning that something essential is missing. And here's what makes this exciting. Fixing it doesn't require expensive prescription drugs, risky procedures, or complicated protocols. Sometimes the answer comes down to one key nutrient, taken at exactly the right time of day. Before we dive in, hit that like button and drop a comment telling me where you're watching from. Now, let's talk honestly about what's really happening inside your body when the sun goes down. So many men over 60 come into my office and tell me, Dr. Romano, I guess this is just what happens when you get older. And every single time, I stop them right there. Because no, it's not just your age. When you're constantly exhausted, when your penis doesn't achieve firm erections, when sexual desire fades, that's not simply nature running its course. What's actually happening is your nighttime recovery system is breaking down. And most men have no idea the system even exists. Nighttime isn't just about closing your eyes. The hours between when you lie down and when you wake up represent your body's most critical recovery window. Your testosterone production peaks during deep sleep, especially in those early morning hours. In fact, 60 to 70% of your daily testosterone is released during quality deep sleep. Your blood vessels, including the delicate vessels in your penis, undergo repair and regeneration. Your prostate calms down. Inflammation subsides. And your mitochondria, those cellular power plants that generate all your energy, fully recharge. But when this system fails, the first places you notice are sexual vitality, energy levels, and sleep quality itself. It becomes a vicious cycle. Poor sleep leads to low testosterone, which leads to weaker erections, which leads to frustration and stress, which leads to even worse sleep. Here's the good news. This isn't irreversible. The most common cause is a deficiency in one specific mineral that almost every man over 60 is running low on. For those new here, I'm Dr. Lila Romano, a board-certified urologist who's been practicing for over a decade. I've worked with thousands of men from their 40s into their 80s. Today, I'm walking you through the one nutrient that simultaneously supports erectile function, testosterone production, and deep restorative sleep. I'll reveal the biggest mistakes men make when using it, and show you exactly how to use this correctly so you wake up rested, energized, and ready to fully engage with life again. Okay, the number one mineral most men are missing is magnesium. Now, before you think that seems too simple, understand what magnesium actually does. It's the calm down switch for your entire nervous system. It regulates the balance between your stress response and your rest and recover mode. Without adequate magnesium, your body physiologically cannot shift out of stress mode. Even lying in bed with your eyes closed, your nervous system is still firing. Your heart rate stays elevated. Your muscles stay tense. Your mind keeps racing. You might fall asleep from exhaustion, but you never drop into deep restorative sleep where testosterone production, erectile tissue maintenance, and cellular repair happen. Here's what magnesium deficiency looks like. Weaker erections or erections that don't last, getting up 2 to 4 times a night to urinate, restless legs at night, muscle cramps in your calves, and waking up feeling like you never actually slept. You're foggy, irritable, and when you're that exhausted, intimacy with your partner feels like a burden instead of a joy. Why is this so common in men over 60? Several reasons. First, as we age, our digestive system doesn't absorb nutrients as efficiently. Second, many common medications actually deplete. Magnesium, diuretics for blood pressure, proton pump inhibitors for acid reflux, even diabetes medications drain your stores. Third, chronic stress burns through magnesium faster than almost anything else. And finally, modern agricultural practices have depleted soil magnesium, meaning even healthy foods contain less than they did decades ago. Some estimates suggest up to 50% of older adults don't get enough magnesium. So if this sounds like you, don't blame age. Recognize that magnesium has been quietly slipping away and your body is desperately trying to tell you. Now here's where most men waste their money, choosing the wrong form. They walk into a pharmacy, grab the cheapest bottle labeled magnesium, and think they're set. The most common cheap form is magnesium oxide, and I'm going to be blunt, it's essentially worthless. Your body absorbs only about 4% of it. The other 96% passes straight through, usually causing stomach upset and diarrhea along the way. So, what actually works? Two specific forms matter for what we're trying to accomplish. Magnesium glycinate is my go-to recommendation. It has excellent absorption, around 80 to 90%, and it's extremely gentle on your digestive system. Here's why it's powerful for men's health. Glycine itself has calming properties that work directly on your parasympathetic nervous system. It helps release muscle tension, especially where men hold stress in their neck, shoulders, and back. This physical relaxation signals your brain that it's safe to enter deep sleep. Plus, magnesium glycinate supports blood vessel dilation, and healthy blood vessels are absolutely critical for firm, lasting erections. Better blood flow equals stronger erectile function. Magnesium threonate, or L-threonate, has one unique property. It crosses the blood-brain barrier more effectively than any other form. It works directly in your brain to calm racing thoughts, reduce nighttime anxiety, and improve cognitive function. If you're the kind of man whose mind won't shut off at night, if you lie in bed replaying conversations or worrying about tomorrow, magnesium threonate can be a game changer. It also supports memory and mental clarity, helping lift that brain fog many men experience. So which one? If your primary goals are better sleep, reduced muscle tension, and improved erectile function, start with magnesium glycinate. If racing thoughts and mental anxiety are your biggest barriers, consider magnesium threonate. Some men use both. What you absolutely should not do is waste money on magnesium oxide or cheap blends that don't specify the form. Now let's talk about timing, because this is where many men sabotage themselves. Magnesium is calming. It tells your body it's time to rest. If you take it in the morning, you're sending the wrong message. You'll feel sluggish and miss the nighttime recovery benefits entirely. The optimal time is 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Here's how. Prepare a glass of warm water or chamomile tea, which has its own mild calming properties. Take your magnesium with this warm liquid. Then start your wind-down ritual. Dim the lights, avoid screens, or use blue light blocking. Glasses. Put your phone on silent across the room and do something calming like reading, gentle stretching, or deep breathing. By the time you lie down, the magnesium is starting to work. Your muscles release tension. Your nervous system shifts gears. Your mind quiets. You're primed for deep, restorative sleep. Do this consistently at roughly the same time every night, and you're training your circadian rhythm and giving your recovery system exactly what it needs. Let me set realistic expectations, because this is where men get frustrated and quit too soon. Magnesium isn't like caffeine or a prescription ED medication that works within an hour. It works cumulatively, building night after night as your body restores depleted reserves. Here's what to expect. The first few nights, you'll fall asleep more easily and feel deeper physical relaxation. By the end of week 1, you'll notice more morning energy, fewer bathroom trips, and the return of morning erections that sign your erectile tissue is getting proper nighttime maintenance again. After 2 weeks of consistency, you're achieving solid 6 to 8 hour blocks of sleep. Your mood is calmer, focus is clearer, and there's often a natural lift in libido, that spark of sexual desire coming back to life. The absolute key is consistency. If you take it for 3 nights, forget for 2, take it again and skip a weekend, you never build momentum. Commit to a minimum of 2 weeks without missing a night. Treat it like brushing your teeth, non-negotiable. Here's something most advice doesn't cover. Magnesium doesn't work in isolation. Several other nutrients work synergistically with it to maximize benefits for sleep, testosterone, and erectile function. The 3 most important are zinc, vitamin B6, and vitamin D. Zinc is critical for testosterone production. Your testes require zinc to synthesize testosterone, and it also supports prostate health. Vitamin B6 plays a crucial role in producing serotonin and GABA, your brain's calming chemicals, and helps your body use magnesium more effectively. There's a supplement stack called ZMA that combines these: zinc, magnesium, and vitamin B6. It was developed for athletes to improve recovery, but it's phenomenally effective for men over 60 for the same reasons: better sleep, enhanced testosterone production, and increased libido. Look for one containing about 30 milligrams of zinc, 400 to 500 milligrams of magnesium glycinate, and 10 to 15 milligrams of B6. Take it before bed on an empty stomach or with a light snack. Vitamin D is technically a hormone, and it plays a huge role in testosterone production and helps your body absorb magnesium properly. Most men over 60 don't get enough sun exposure to produce adequate amounts naturally. I typically recommend 2,000 to 5,000 IU daily, taken in the morning with a fat-containing meal since it's fat-soluble. Why do men over 60 need all of these? Because deficiencies cluster. If you're low in one, you're often low in several. Each deficiency creates a weak link. You can supplement magnesium and see some improvement, but if you're also severely zinc and vitamin D deficient, you won't experience the full transformation possible. Together, they create an environment where your body can truly recover, rebuild, and restore vitality. Even if you're supplementing every night, lifestyle factors can work against you. The single biggest thief of magnesium is chronic stress. When you're stressed, processing those stress hormones requires magnesium. The more stressed you are, the faster you burn through your stores. So stress management has to be part of the equation, whether it's exercise, time in nature, hobbies, connection with friends, or even just 10 minutes of deep breathing daily. Alcohol increases magnesium excretion through your kidneys. High sugar diets deplete magnesium because your body uses it to metabolize sugar. Excessive caffeine causes increased excretion. If you're drinking 4 to 6 cups of coffee daily, you're working against yourself. And as I mentioned, many medications actively deplete magnesium. If you're on diuretics, proton pump inhibitors, or certain diabetes medications, you almost certainly need to supplement, possibly at higher doses. So, what's the bottom line? Supplementing is essential, but if your lifestyle is draining magnesium all day, you'll see limited results. Address these factors, even imperfectly, and your supplementation becomes exponentially more effective. Let me share a real story that illustrates what's possible. I'll call him James. He came to see me at 67, exhausted, waking up 4 or 5 times nightly to urinate. His erectile function had declined significantly. His energy was terrible by mid-afternoon, and his mood was low. We started him on magnesium glycinate 400 milligrams at night, along with zinc, vitamin B6, and vitamin D. Within the first week, he was only getting up once or twice at night instead of 4 or 5 times. By week 3, he was sleeping solid 6 to 7 hour blocks. His morning erections were back, something he hadn't experienced consistently in years. But what really struck me, he talked about how this affected his marriage. He and his wife had started being intimate again, not just sexually, but emotionally. They were laughing together, making plans. He felt like he'd gotten a piece of himself back that he thought was gone forever. 6 months later, James's testosterone had actually increased into the normal range without hormone therapy, purely from improved sleep and nutritional support. Was it just the magnesium? No, it was everything working together. But magnesium was the foundation, the keystone that allowed everything else to fall into place. Let's bring this into a clear action plan you can start tonight. Step 1. Choose magnesium glycinate for sleep quality, muscle tension, and erectile function. Choose magnesium threonate if racing thoughts are your primary barrier. Or consider a ZMA supplement for comprehensive support. Step 2. Start with 200 to 400 milligrams of magnesium glycinate per night, or 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams of threonate. Begin at the lower end and adjust after a week or 2 if needed. Step 3. Create your bedtime ritual. An hour before bed, take your magnesium with warm water or chamomile tea. Dim the lights. Put your phone away. Spend this hour doing calming activities, reading, gentle stretching, deep breathing, quiet conversation. Signal to your nervous system that it's time to shift into recovery mode. Step 4. Add zinc, vitamin B6, and vitamin D. A ZMA supplement at night covers the first two. For vitamin D, take 2,000 to 5,000 IU in the morning with a meal containing healthy fat. Step 5. Track your progress for at least 2 weeks. Each morning, note how many times you woke up, rate your sleep quality, whether you had a morning erection, and how your energy feels. This helps you see improvements you might otherwise miss. Step 6. Give it time and stay consistent. Commit to a minimum of 2 weeks without missing a night. After 2 weeks, evaluate honestly. I'm confident you'll see meaningful improvements. And then keep going. Because the longer you maintain optimal magnesium levels, the better you'll feel. Here is a bonus tip. Try a few minutes of gentle stretching before bed. When your muscles are relaxed, magnesium works even better. Focus on your neck, shoulders, lower back, and hips where tension accumulates. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, Dr. Romano, I've already lost too much ground. Maybe it's too late for me. Let me be very clear, it's not too late. I've seen men in their late 70s, men who thought intimacy was gone forever, rediscover energy, confidence, and connection once their sleep and recovery improved. This isn't about chasing youth. It's about restoring dignity, vitality, and joy. The ability to wake up every morning feeling alive again. Fatigue, fading libido, poor sleep, weak erections, these aren't signs that life is over. They're signs of deficiency. And deficiencies can be fixed. Your body still has the power to be strong, vibrant, and masculine. It just needs your partnership. It needs you to give it the right tools, starting tonight. So take that first step. Support your sleep. Support your recovery. Support your masculinity. Because when you do, you don't just change your nights, you change your days, your relationships, and your future. If this message helped you, tap like so more men can find this video. Comment below and tell me where you're watching from. I love seeing this community of men choosing to live stronger and sleep better. And subscribe to my channel for more proven, science-backed guidance designed just for you. I'm Dr. Lila Romano, and I'll see you in the next video.